My name's Jessica Stribe. I'm 38 years old, and I was diagnosed with cystic fibrosis at birth. The advances in cystic fibrosis research have been incredible. I've seen so many things come through in my lifetime, new medications, new ways to do therapy, quicker ways to do therapy, as well as antibiotics such as Toby and Caystin and Colistin. So it's been really neat to see how much has happened since I was born. I decided to participate in clinical trials simply because I wanted to help be a part of all of the research that's being done. The first clinical trial I enrolled in was in 2006, and since then I've been involved probably in about a dozen trials. I learned about the clinical trials just from talking with a research coordinator who came by during a typical appointment.
How are you? I'm great. How are you? Good.
The research coordinator who came to speak with me at my visit went through a very thick packet of paper for an informed consent. She went through every single detail, and by the end of the little packet that we went through, I felt very comfortable and knowledgeable about what I would be doing. Typically, the first visit after you enroll in a clinical trial involves a screening. The doctor comes in and does the regular exam that you would have done at clinic, and then they take vital signs and usually a baseline of what your PFT score is, and kind of go from there.
My name is Seth Walker. I'm the director of the Adult Cystic Fibrosis Program at Emory University, and I've been taking care of Jessica since I arrived at Emory about 3 years ago. During a clinical trial visit, many different things could happen, and it's going to depend on the study that a patient is involved in. If it is an observational study, it may simply be the collection of data, and so nothing additional to the visit would be necessary. For an interventional study looking at a new drug, there may be lots of labs necessary. There may be many different tests, including lung function tests, different blood chemistry tests.
I was a little worried at first because I work full-time when I was going to participate in a clinical study, just about the time commitment. But what I found is that the research coordinator was really great about scheduling around my time within the guidelines of the study itself. So depending on your time availability, there's something there for you. I've been involved in trials where I would go in for my regular clinic visit and fill out a questionnaire, simple as that, or they'd take a blood sample or a sputum culture sample. And that was just done during my regular clinic visit. So it was very easy to participate in. I've been involved in others where there's more of a time commitment, so a monthly visit or an overnight stay. There's so many different trials available that I think if you want to participate, you can find one that would work according to your schedule. I've just been so thankful for all of the research that has been done for cystic fibrosis. When I was born, the life expectancy was 8 years old. I'm 38 now. I'm sure my parents never expected me to live this long, and that's completely due to medications that have come along and therapy treatments. It's just been so incredible to see, and I would certainly just be devastated if the research stopped.